Before you do anything else, before you even watch another second of this video, do us a favor, smash the like and subscribe buttons and tell your friends. And now, for the fun part, we won Drag Week! Yes, look! Teeny tiny trophy, we won Hot Rod Drag Week's A-Gas class 2019. We're winners.
Yeah.
We're never winners.
Finally.
We finally won something.
Finally.
Yes. So we're celebrating because this video is all about the ridiculous week we just had at Hot Rod Drag Week, where Tony Angelo and I raced Blasphemi for an episode of Roadkill that's coming up on the Motor Trend channel. And yeah, we slept about 19 hours in 5 days and destroyed everything. But we finished, we reset the A-Gas record, we won our class, the car came home, it still runs. I even took my kids to school in it because it's awesome. And to celebrate, that brand new Party Pulley t-shirt that actually says A-Gas Champions 2019 Hot Rod Drag Week. Yes, we're winners. And this video is all about what went down, and thanks for watching. Now, we're gonna work on the turbo boat finally. No more working on Blasphemi because she's in one piece and she runs.
She just needs a bath. That's it.
Yeah, I don't even care about that. Like,
yeah,
whatever. I'll drive it dirty as long as it runs.
I'm glad yours still runs.
We'll talk about yours next time. His didn't quite make it. Might have been the third gear trailer burnouts that did it. I don't know. Call me crazy.
Don't do more than a dozen. I don't see how it could bend with the letter bar on the car. I don't know. It's crazy though. We did it, dude.
High five, we did it.
Broke the entire drivetrain.
Yeah, we raced John Chase and broke the Hemi, the G-Force.
Yep, broke reverse.
And the 9-inch. But thanks to the dudes at Quick Performance, we got a new housing.
That's way too nice.
It's better. It's better than the old one. See how they back cut this so you get more weld area than if you just welded it right there? I think that helps. Plus, they gusset the crap out of the inside of it. So this tube is welded here and then several inches further out here, and there's a bunch more surface area there.
Not to mention there's a killer back brace on this bad boy.
Yeah. Well, and just look at the top. You have a triangle there. You have a triangle here. This is a stock style original one. There's nothing here. You know, it's welded here and welded in here, but you don't have the back brace. You don't have the triangular gussets. Like, it was only a matter of time before I guess we bent that one.
Well, I mean, you gotta think. I mean, the size sleek you have on there with a, with a stick shift car, dude.
Yeah.
That thing takes a lot of pressure.
Back in the game. Now all we need is a Hemi. Because Drag Week's like, I don't know, 30 days away. Newbern and I are building a new fuel cell, dual fuel cell, and we're finalizing the placement of the fuel pumps. And meanwhile, Cotton's over here.
Mad science in this thing.
Dude, that's like science. Look at this.
Well, what's crazy is when you put
hold on. Look at the science.
the science.
So that's dry ice on top of sound deadening material with a little bit of isopropyl rubbing alcohol mixed in. That is freezing all of the sound deadening material so that Mike can just scrape it off.
You just hit it and it shatters.
We've tried nitrous, which worked pretty good, but was expensive. And now Mikey has come up with this solution: dry ice.
It's working. That part's done. Feel your rocker panel.
Dude, that's so cool looking.
The race side is done. Just need to water test it real quick. See if there's any pinholes. If it passes the water test, then we'll pressure test it. It's gonna leak. Now's the time to leak. It's easy to fix. This is my Ghetto Fabulous pressure testing setup. Pancake style air compressor, a regulator that will adjust down to approximately 5 psi. 2 would be better. And then air hose into the tank, gaff taped. Hopefully this is airtight. And then spray bottle of water, soapy water, a little Dawn dish soap in there. We'll crack open the regulator, put some air in the tank, spray every seam and see, does she leak? If she does, we'll go back over the weld one more time. If she doesn't, we move on. It'll be a little hard to see, but right there in that corner is a leak. And this is gonna be the joint where fuel cell number 2 meets fuel cell number 1, so I can fix that there, no problem. We'll continue our search. Got a lot of practicing TIG welding aluminum this week. Here's Blasphemi's new fuel cell. 16 gallons on the left of pumped gas, 5 gallons on the right. A couple of NASCAR switching valves there so we can run E85 in the race tank, pump gas in this tank. 2 Holley 450 liter per hour fuel pumps, and a setting unit. So I'll know how much gas is in there. It's just that. That's cool.
Yep. Clean it off. Just measure it with your calipers.
Nailed it. 50. Finishing touches on the gas tank right here. Got our fuel selector valves mounted. Dual Holley fuel pumps. Putting some rubber across the top of the tank so that it won't rub on anything under the bottom of the car. Ready to install it. It's gonna be dope.
It's gonna be weird to have a gas cage and...
Yeah, we're gonna have a gas cage finally in this car. It's gonna be amazing. Big moment. Back on the ground for the first time in months. Oh yeah.
No, it's the first time in months it's been complete.
It is in one piece again, mostly.
That's sexy though.
Yeah.
That's real sexy.
Thank you.
That's like real sexy.
Talking about me, right?
No. No.
No?
Talking about that.
Oh, that's pretty good. As long as it doesn't leak.
Stop with the negative talk.
6 days to drag week. We'll make it. Hell. Drag week starts tomorrow. We're 5 hours away in North Carolina at Harrell Engine and Dyno, putting the tune on Blasphemi.
day one of drag week. It was a lot like day one of drag week last year. It's raining. And I'm already sunburned. Look at that. Taking an opportunity during the rain delay to modify the attempted murder Nova a bit. We are so ready to have fun on drag week. Blasphemi is together. I think we've made 4 passes since drag week last year. The car has been in pieces all year. 3 days ago, we threw it together, went to Harrow Engine and Dyno, guys who rebuilt the motor, and the water's not commingling with the oil. Put down a good number on the chassis dyno. During test and tune yesterday here, this thing ripped an 875 at 159, and it seems healthy, man. We're gonna do the damn thing. So, Drag Week 2019 starts now. None. Yeah, rained all morning. Rain stops. It's beautiful out here. Thought we're ready to go. Fired it up. Yeah, alternator not working. So we're changing the staging lanes, and then we're gonna go lay one down here as soon as the other 400 cars ahead of us go.
And hopefully it's more reliable than ever. Hemi has been.
.852 161. Here comes Finnegan. Personal best by 2/10.